Hi, this is Melanie from Hook to the Left, and today we're going to go over a Hobby Lobby haul. So let's go ahead and get started. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you are a fan of yarn hauls, yarn product hauls, yarn product reviews, tutorials, and a bunch of other stuff having to do with crochet, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and don't forget the bell so that you're reminded each time I put out a brand new video. Speaking of that, don't forget about yarn hookers every Saturday night at 5 p.m. and of course I go live every Saturday morning at 11 a.m. So 11 a.m. every Saturday, you will find me live here on this channel, and every Saturday night at 5 p.m. you will find the Yarn Hookers live on either my channel, Yarn Geeks channel, Whippy Chicks channel. So don't you miss out on that, and make sure you catch up on our previous ones by clicking that link just above. So let's go ahead and get started with the haul, because I know that's what you want to see. I bought a whole bunch of cotton, and why would I buy a bunch of cotton at this time of year? Well, one, I could be making rags and stuff, washcloths and stuff like that for Christmas, but that's not why I bought it. I have lately been making for friends, either new friends like a co-worker or you know, people when they move into a new house. I've been making them bowl cozies. I made some for myself first. I really like them. Hello. Here's Cinder coming in to join us. I really like them, and because of that I went ahead and make a bunch of this make some for friends, and everybody's been huge fans of them. So because of that, I've decided, okay, well, I'm gonna make some more, and maybe I can see if I can sell them, maybe not, maybe I'll just gift them, we'll see. But I bought a bunch of cotton with the intent of making bowl cozies. Okay, so let's start with my first set of colors. This now, and the reason why I love this cotton is because it is one of the softest cottons around, and I love the colors. There's a big variety in colors. I also use, for the same thing, I use the Walmart brand cotton, which is a relatively new yarn. It's just as soft as this. It just comes in solid colors. So when I am looking for some Riot color and stuff, then I go to Hobby Lobby. I love this cotton. It is my favorite cotton. So let's tell you a little bit about this. So this particular colorway here is called Pink Teal Orange. I know, fancy color, right? That's an amazing color name. It's Pink Teal Orange. That is the name of this particular colorway. And all of these are the same. So I'm just going to give you the other label information based off of this label here. So this is 100% cotton, and it is a worsted weight cotton. It is, they recommend using a 5.5 millimeter hook with this, or a 5 millimeter needle for if you want to knit something. And let's see here. I'm looking here. I don't see washing instructions other than the symbols here, which pretty much mean machine wash. You can machine wash. This cotton is more durable, so I have machine washed mine and machine dried, and usually on cool or lower temperatures. So and do I need to tell you anything else? Yes, I do. So this is, that's rubbed off on there. This is 3 ounces or 85 grams, or it is 153 yards or 140 meters. And normally I can get about 2 bowls out of this, maybe almost 2 bowls, and then I get into this and get another bowl. So 3 bowls out of the 2 different skeins. So anyway, this one is called Pink Teal Orange. I'm going to go ahead and show you. Isn't that pretty? Now, I think this may be the color I used on mine, or it might be another colorway in here that's very similar, which you'll see that one. I can't recall anymore which colorway I used. I think it might actually be the other one because it has more yellow in it. But this one is Pink Teal Orange. Okay, so we're done with that one. He's very interested in what I'm doing here. Okay, this is a colorway that I get every time I buy cotton, which I know I got 2. There's the other one. Every time I buy cotton, I buy this colorway. This is actually my favorite colorway. And it is called Lime Dot. So if you take a closer look at it, let me go back this way. So it is a white cotton and it's got flecks of green and purple in it, and it doesn't want to. There we go. All right, you had to get the kitty out of the picture. All right, so it's got flecks of green and purple in it, which I love that. This is my favorite colorway right here. I get it every time I buy cotton if I don't have enough of this in the colorway. Okay, so that is called Lime Dot. All right, and I got 2 of each, so I can make at least 3 of each color. Come this way a little bit more, bud. Get out of the picture. Okay, this one is called, and I thought this was a nice springy color, but it's called Delicate. So you see the yellows, there's a little bit of gray in there, a little bit of orange in there, but there's more green and yellow in this. I think it's just a beautiful colorway, and it's not wanting to focus on this stuff today. So let me see if I can get that. There we go. So there is that color, which is called Delicate. Okay. And the next color that I got, this is the one that's similar to the first color I showed you, and I think this is the one that I made mine in. But this is called Pink, Green, Purple. Again, a very original colorway name. So that is Pink, Green, Purple. There you go. That is Pink, Green, Purple. And it's just got tons of pretty colors in here, including pink, green, and purple. So that's that colorway. Next is, and I've made a few out of this colorway because I already had it. But this one is called, so this one is called Too Pink, and this is a series of pink and greens. So that's that colorway, and it looks like I only have 2 colorways left. Now this one's a little bit more pastel-y. I really like these actually. But let's see here. This one is called Pastel. Well, it is pastel-y. Didn't I not just say that? It's pastel-y. So it's got some pretty pinks, light blues in here. See, like a light blue for a little bit, some pretty pinks, and even that looks like a lavender right there. So this is real pretty. I can't wait to see what this looks like worked up. I think it'll be really pretty. But it takes those super bright colors and then it just gives me the pastel version of that. That's what this seems like to me. All right, and then I have one more. So I wanted to see how it worked up, and this is called Aqua Ombre. So I just want to see how the Aqua Ombre, worked up, and I might get some more to make in this if it works up real nice. But this is called Aqua Ombre. That's real pretty. I thought that was super pretty. So, all right, and that is it for my cotton haul from Hobby Lobby. I'm going to go ahead and line these up as I go over a couple things. Once again, don't forget about our 5 o'clock every Saturday night, 5 o'clock show from the Yarn Hookers. And if you follow each of our shows, then you'll get a reminder letting you know when to pop over to somebody's channel for that show. But we do rotate it between all of us. That's good. We do rotate it between all of us, so don't forget to check that out. And I also have my own live show every Saturday morning at 11 a.m. So don't forget to check that out as well. And again, if you are new to this channel and you like yarn hauls just like this, or you like other yarn product hauls, or yarn reviews, yarn product reviews, etc., then please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell so you're reminded each time I put out a new video. And if you liked this video, then please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. I really appreciate it. And of course, Kitty is making a cameo again. Thank you again so much for joining me today. You guys have a wonderful day, and bye-bye.